guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sydney and today I have an amazing Dollar Tree haul for you. I went to Dollar Tree the other day and they are finally starting to get out all of their really cute Christmas stuff. It takes them a while. A lot of stuff is still in boxes because I guess they don't have enough people. I'm not really sure. But I found some awesome stuff. Probably the best stuff I've found in months. So I want to show you guys everything that I found. Alright, so I'm going to start with this bag. And I picked up this really cute coffee mug. It says, "Don't get your tinsel in a tangle." If it will zoom. There we go. It says, "Don't get your tinsel in a tangle." And I thought this was so precious and so cute for $1. This is, I mean, it looks like something that you would find at like Hobby Lobby or Pottery Barn. But I really loved it, and I kind of hoard coffee mugs, so I picked up 2 of them. So the other one that I bought, let me see, she wrapped it up. The other one that I bought is this really cute little snowman mug. Is he not precious? Like, how cute is that? For $1. These are so much cheaper than the ones that they have at Walmart or at Target, and just as good quality. And this would make a super cute gift for a teacher if you got this and maybe put some Starbucks or a gift card or hot chocolate, anything cute in there. How precious is that? I just love it. Next, I picked up this sign. It says, "All things grow with love," and it is one of the like the mermaid signs. Let me take the paper off of it. Okay, so yeah, one of these little mermaid signs where you can like, oh, maybe it's not. Just kidding. It's not a mermaid sign. I was expecting it to be like where you can flip up the sequins and it changes to something else, but it's not. Just a cute little sequin sign. It actually looks more like Valentine's Day than Christmas, so I'm not really sure why they have these out, but I really liked it. I thought it was really cute. If you like gardens or anything like that, this would be super cute to put beside your plants or anything like that. Okay. Next, I picked up some tape, just name brand Scotch Tape. I use this for my POSHMARK business. I use it for gifts at Christmas time. But it's 2 for $1, which is pretty cheap for the name brand tape. Picked up 2 of those. I picked up some Goo Gone because I also use this for my POSHMARK business to clean shoes with, just to get any like residue or anything off of shoes. This I thought was a really cute gift that I found. It has 3 different little hand creams in it. It says hand cream therapy set. You can see those. But the first one is green tea, and then it has sweet berries and vanilla passion. So that would make a really cute gift as well to kind of stick in with something else. I thought that was really adorable, and my hands get really dry this time of year, so I always try to pick these up to keep them in my purse. Let's see. I'm gonna skip to this bag because there's some stuff I want to leave for last. So I picked up 2 of these notebooks. You know, I'm like notebook obsessed, but had this one that it just says notes on the front of it, and then it has this one that says thoughts. So it's just really cute little journals, and I'll show you the inside of them. It's just like an empty notebook that I thought was really cute. I always try to keep notebooks with me just to have something to jot things down in, and the covers on these are like, they feel like really good quality covers. So if you take the Dollar Tree stickers, I'll show you the inside of this one. This one's more of like, I don't know how this comes across on camera, but it's kind of like a neon orange color. But these would also make really cute gifts for people. You have someone who likes to journal or anything like that. But I thought these were really good quality, so I picked up 2 of them. I also picked up my absolute favorite Christmas candy of all time. I'm pretty sure I put this in a video last year. It's the Junior Mints Peppermint Crunch. We'll zoom. There we go. Junior Mints Peppermint Crunch. It is so good, so delicious. This is like my favorite thing in the entire world is when they put this out at Christmas time. So I picked up 3 boxes of those. Then I found some new makeup that they had. I picked up this LA Colors Contour. It's like a highlighter bronzer duo kit. But the colors don't look too drastic, so I think they should be okay. I also picked up this smoothing face primer. Put on under your makeup. So I'm interested to try this to see if it actually works. But I picked that up for $1. Might as well. Oh, I also picked up this LA Colors Contour Stick. It's like a highlighter stick. I thought that was really cool. They are definitely upping their game on the makeup lately, so that's good. Let me see. I also picked up some packing tape. I always pick this up whenever I'm there. I use this all sorts of places for my business, for everything else. Also good for gift wrapping as well, or if you need to ship things to people. Okay, so the rest of this I'm super excited about because I can never find this. Whenever they get it in, it always sells out so quickly, and I always see people hauling this and they always find so much of it. So I finally found a ton of it at once, and I'm so excited to show you guys because I never find this. So I'm gonna start with this, but it's the Bolero stuff. So they got in all this new Bolero stuff, which is awesome. It smells so good. But this is the cranberry and sweet orange body oil. It says face, skin, and hair. So you can put this basically anywhere. Look at the packaging on this. Isn't that beautiful? Like, how gorgeous is this? And people always rave about this stuff. So let me go to my next bag. So I also picked up these coconut cream bath bombs. Coconut cream and vanilla bath bombs. It looks like there's 3 of them in there for $1. And I picked up this coconut cream and vanilla facial scrub. It says gentle face scrub, and I really like these scrubs for exfoliating my face if I don't want to use my Clarisonic. So I'm excited to try this. It smells absolutely amazing. I also picked up this cranberry and sweet orange body cream. So this is more of like a body lotion. And these would be so cute as gifts. Just the packaging on these does not look like Dollar Tree. It does not look like it's cheap. It is, the branding on it is amazing. It's just absolutely beautiful. That's for that bag. Then I have a whole other bag. I stocked up on my Bolero stuff because I was really excited to find it. Oh, here's another primer that I picked up. This is a green primer, so it's good for minimizing redness. And they had a few more of these. I just grabbed the yellow one and the green one. Anyways, back to Bolero. They had face masks, the paper face masks. So I picked up this one. This is the cranberry and sweet orange. And then they also had a coconut cream and vanilla one. So the 2 scents were cranberry and sweet orange, and then this coconut cream and vanilla for all the stuff. And then I picked up this coconut cream and vanilla foot scrub, so it's probably a little more coarse than the facial scrub. You can see the packaging on this. It's so cute. And then last thing, I also picked up some makeup wipes. There are 30 of them in here, so that's a really good value for $1. And I always need makeup wipes. These are so great for traveling with. But this is the cranberry and sweet orange scent. So I was super excited to find the Bolero stuff just because I'm never able to find it. I never see it. So they had a whole display that they had just gotten in. So I stocked up on it. I stocked up on my Junior Mints, and really good finds from Dollar Tree, which kind of hasn't happened in a while. So super excited. I just wanted to share those with you guys. If you have something that you love to buy at Dollar Tree, definitely tell me in the comments below. If you are new, welcome, and I hope that you will subscribe to my YouTube channel. I do videos about Poshmark and Dollar Tree hauls and thrift hauls, so making money and saving money. So if you are interested in that, I hope that you will subscribe so you don't miss a video. Leave me a thumbs up if you like these videos, if you would like to see more of them. And I thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Thanks so much. Bye.